What's up? Our Labubus just arrived, and like people, I'm begging for this. Can I save it? And we got our super mega. We got a super mega. The first time. We got the super mega. We got super mega, Mariah. Say super mega. So, Mariah, which one do you want? This one or this one? You like this one? This one is $16, number 16. Yeah. If we get the secret, wanna get the secret? Mariah, wanna get the secret, Mariah? If we try getting the secret, some people guess what? The secret. I got our secret. You can see that logo, the logo. You see the logo, You see pot mark?
Maya, you can't open it right now.
Because Mariah.
No, because you're going to do a whole video.
I do know Labubu's video.
No, you have to do an official unboxing video.
Hey, I know unboxing videos. I see people. They take the plastic off. They open it. You see there's these little thingies. That's how you open it. This Labubu is this Labubu. This obviously goes to this. This goes to there. This goes there. This goes to this goes to this. Daddy, you think I don't know unboxing videos? Daddy, I know unboxing videos.
You're not doing an unboxing video right now. We're going to take down Halloween.
And we're gonna then you're gonna see Rio.
But I'm glad you
That day. Dad.
Yes.
Do you think I'm dumb to you?
Well, am I what?
Do you think I'm dumb to you?
What to you?
Do you think I'm dumb to you?
Dumb to you? Do I think you're dumb? No, I think you're brilliant. You're brilliant.
And Dad, you think I don't know this kind of unboxing video? You think I don't know that?
Maya, you're not doing the unboxing video.
Dad, I know what to do it. You peel the plastic, you open it from the Labubu, then you pick one, then you open
You
it.
don't want to wait until we get the Lafufus and you do them at the same time? No.
I know. You have to take the plastic off. You open it from right here because you can see these, and you have to like do that. But big,
Alright, it's Christmas now. Halloween coming down.
Bigger than the series. You're screwed. You got Labubu. You got Labubu. Everybody knows this Labubu. So tomorrow day we're gonna make a short about us getting a secret. If we get the secret, I'll be able to get 2 million subscribers, and I really love that. And if I do, I'll give someone iPhone 17 Pro Max, my dad's, and an iPhone 17 from my mom.
I don't understand your
You come to my mom's shop, you want a fit. Because guess what? I got iPad, phones, everything you need. Even little things and watches where you can play games too. Yeah. You can pull them out where you want to if you want somewhere else. Bye.